Wok hey.
This is a recipe for rice cake stir fry. It's a great recipe for Chinese New Year.
So this is a package of rice cake. We can make this from scratch, but I found some of these at the TNT market. We'll put about 3 or 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Preheat the pan at medium heat. Then you put in the aromatics, the ginger and garlic. We're going to keep the ginger and garlic in fairly large pieces. So you have some minced pork here, left over from making dumplings. So put about 4 ounces of minced pork in there. You can use any kind of meat that you like. You can use beef or pork or chicken. So just give that a quick stir. Put about half a cup of onions in there. Chow them. Okay, so you put the rice cakes in there. So you don't have to boil these first, you just put it directly into the wok. So give that a stir fry. Okay, so put about half to 1 teaspoon of salt in there. Put about a teaspoon of sesame oil.
Yeah.
So also add about a teaspoon of chicken soup base. Actually, I like it chewy like this, but if you want to add a little water, soften up the rice cakes. So now you add the snow peas. So about a cup of snow peas. Then you have half a cup of red pepper and a cup of green pepper. So cover with a lid and let it steam for a couple minutes. So put about 2 tablespoons. Put about 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Put about 1 or 2 tablespoons of oyster flavor sauce.
Ngao Lun Tay
So this dish is really good for New Year's. So Chinese New Year's is coming up. So you can make this dish just in time for Chinese New Year.
Even though it's a little bit early, we would like to wish all our viewers a happy Chinese New Year. May this be the best year for you ever.
Go again. Wok hey. Again. So give the rice cakes a final stir fry. There you have it, Chinese rice cake stir fry with pork and veggies. Enjoy. So it's a real tasty dish. You gotta try this. So thanks for checking out my channel. Please subscribe. So any questions and comments are always welcome. And thanks for your continued support.